So here we have a problem that we want to look at. The question reads, determine the gradient and the equation of the line which passes through the points A, 1, -1, and B, 4, 5. So first, let us find, before we even read it any further, let us do that. The gradient and equation of the line which passes through the points A, 1, -1, and B, 4, 5. One of the first step we could do, maybe wise to, just label the points. So call this x1, y1, x2, y2. Let's find the gradient of AB. So gradient of AB, alright, we'll call M, right, is equal to, well, y2 minus y1. It's the formula for gradient, right? x2 minus x1. Now y2 are using 5. So it's 5 minus y1. What is y1? -1 over x2. What is x2? 4. Minus x1. What is x1? 1. So the numerator is 6. 5 plus 1. And denominator is 3. And double negative give you a positive, right? So the gradient is 2. We need to find C now. So y equal mx plus c. We're using y equal mx plus c. Good? Because the job is to find the c value. So we could substitute it, any one of these. It doesn't matter which point. Whichever point you use, the c value would be the same. And I implore you to try it. Let me try 4 or 5. Let me use 4 or 5. Because these two lines, both of them pass through AB. So it don't matter which one I use, it wouldn't affect the C value. And we sub the M value also. The M value we found to be 2, which is a gradient. So we sub it into y equal mx plus c. So the x is a 4 and the y is a 5. So y, replace that with 5. M is 2, the gradient. X is 4. Plus c. So 5 was 2 times 4. 8. 8 plus c. So we subtract 8 from both sides. Let me just, right? Because remember the aim of the game, you want the c by itself, right? So 5 minus 8 is equal to c. Just group the 8 over here, right? So it's -3. So therefore, equation of AB, of the line AB, is of course y equal mx plus c. But m, what is m? M is 2, so 2x. And what is c? C is -3. Alright, so that's the solution for the first part. Y equal to 2x minus 3. That's the equation for AB. Alright, let's look at, so let me just put, very important, so for here, because I'm going to erase. So for AB, the M was 2. 2 things were also fine. And the equation is y equal to x minus 3. Because I'm going to clear some space now so I can make space for the other part of the question, alright? So let me just put this information up here. So M is 2, the gradient for AB, and its equation y equal to x minus 3. Alright, so now we want to do the other part. We are told that the line PQ passes through 3, 0 and is parallel. Oh my, that's not how we spell parallel. Alright, sorry, I apologize sincerely for that. Just alright, that's not how we spell parallel, is it? No, it's parallel. Alright, forgive that. Maybe I'm typing too fast, right? Alright, so The line PQ passes through the point 3, 0 and is parallel to the line AB. So, remember to find the, and then we actually determine the equation of PQ. Let's deal with PQ before we even go to AC. So we actually deal with it, determine the equation of the lines PQ. Let's deal with PQ. And to find the equation of the line, you need two things, the gradient and a point it passes through. Right? So remember, so for PQ, well, for all straight lines, once it's a line, you're using y equal mx plus c. Alright, that's the format, and the task is to find m and to find c. No, so we are told that the line PQ passes through the point 3, 0. So we're going to sub 3, 0, right? Of course, we're going to sub in 3, 0. The x is 3 and the y is, so if y is 0. Alright? And m, what is m? We are told that the line passes through 3, 0 and it is parallel to the line AB, which means the gradient will be the same as AB, which is 2. So the gradient for PQ will be 2 because it's parallel to AB. Alright? So we sub that into that. So we have m, y is, we place y with 0, right? So y is 0. M is 2. X is 3, right? Plus c. So 0 equals 6 plus c, and I'm sure I don't have to tell you what c is. Alright, 0 equals 6 plus c. So we can do some transposing there. Subtract 6 from both sides, or you want to group the 6 over here. So it's minus 6 equal to c. So therefore, equation of PQ, let me put it up here. I'm going to use over here now. Alright. Equation of PQ is y equal to mx, and what is m? Same as same m as for AB, because PQ is parallel to AB, so the m value is the same. So the gradient is 2, and then the c value is minus 6. Okay, so our solution for PQ, so that's the answer for PQ. The equation of the line is y equal to 2x minus 6. Let's get the equation now for AC. We are told that AC is perpendicular to AB. Alright, so for AC now, again, all straight lines take the form y equal mx plus c. Alright, so the job is to find m and to find c. Now, we know what point that it passes through, right? The fact that the line name AC, it passes through A, right? The line is called AC, so obviously it passes through the point A. So it passes through 1, negative 1. And the m value, the gradient, we are told that the line AC is perpendicular to AB. So what would be the gradient for AC? What do we know about perpendicular lines again? If two lines are perpendicular, one of them is a negative reciprocal of the other. So for AB, m is 2 over 1. So for AC, it will be half, negative a half. Okay? And so we sub these into y equal mx plus c. So again, let me just repeat. We know the line AC passes through 1, negative 1, because the fact that the line is called AC, it means it passes through A. Alright, A is a point on it. There is an end point on it, right? And then we know the gradient is negative a half because we are told it's perpendicular to 2, which means it would have a negative reciprocal for its gradient. Alright, so we sub these into y equal mx plus c. So that this first number is a, the first number is the x, and the negative 1 is the y, right? So negative 1, put for y, m is negative a half, x is 1, and we have a plus c. Then I have now negative 1 equal negative a half plus c, I'm doing some transpose now, so what I would add half to both sides to cancel this negative half. Add half to both sides. I group it over here. I would have -1 plus half equals C. So I group the negative half over here. And what's -1 plus half? That's -1/2. So the value of C is -1/2. So therefore, the equation of AC is y equal mx plus c. What is m? So -1/2 x plus c, and c is also -1/2. Alright, so y equal -1/2 x minus 1/2. So that's the equation for AC and the equation for PQ. We have it there already. Alright. The next objective I want to cover is that we should be able to look at the equation of a line and tell the gradient just by looking at the equation of the line. Let's do that in the next video. And then we're done with coordinate geometry.